Yeah. So yeah, hello everyone. Let's start our class. So today we'll be talking about a service called CloudWatch. We'll see what are those, what is the cloud, what is exactly CloudWatch, and what does it do, how it will be helpful for us, and how we use it, and how we set it up if required. Yes, that is also. So first, let's see what is CloudWatch. So it's a monitoring service in AWS Cloud. To keep it simple, it is a monitoring service. So whatever the resources that you create in AWS Cloud, I mean, as of now, what you created, EC2, load balancer, auto scaling, CloudFront, S3, all these things, right? Obviously, you want to know what is the CPU utilization of an EC2 machine. Where do you check it? Of course, you can check in the mission, but I need a system for AWS. So that's where this CloudWatch topic comes. So this actually, sorry, inbuilt service actually, and you don't need to by default configure anything. It'll automatically fetch to you. So there are few features in CloudWatch, so where you can able to see the data. So it will be like a centralized monitoring service for all the AWS resources within your account. Within your account, remember again, not in other accounts. So this is the default page. You can simply search for CloudWatch here. This is a default page. Select this. So these are all some automatic dashboards which created for you. So dashboards just like what do you say, with our with our own metrics, with our own graphs. So we create a dashboard just like we created in Grafana, right? So we simply create a dashboard, add a metric, and watch monitor that. Simply here also, so we have something called dashboards. So you can click on the dashboards. So custom dashboard is what we create. Obviously we will create later, but there are something called automatic dashboards. So these are automatic dashboards which are available by default in CloudWatch. You can go to anyone. Let's say maybe EC2. So this is the dashboard. Of course, why there is no data? You can filter it out here. Obviously there is no EC2 instance running. So let's run an EC2 instance and it will take few minutes. And the data, whatever, let's say CPU utilization, see here, discrete and write average, discrete operations, network in and out. So network in, network out. See all these information about EC2 instance. Status 6 failed system, instance 6, system 6. So all these things, so which will be displayed here. So you can filter out based on your, let's say, 1 week. You can filter out like based on the timings, sorry, the times whatever you want. So or you can which maybe 2 weeks, you can filter that also. So but as of now, I told you, right, there is no data, means there are no instances. So let's create maybe an instance. Let's see whether it will work or not. Let's go. Yes, let's create a sample T2 micro instance. Let's see. Yeah, if it open, create some instance, something demo, something. Leave everything default, it's fine. Key pair maybe select. Anyway, don't have that key pair, but yeah, that's okay. We don't log in anyway. We just want to see the metrics in CloudWatch. Sorry. Blah 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 launch. It will take some time. Once the instance started running, it will take some time to reflect it in here. The action, no, you can refresh the dashboard here, or simply there is one more thing here. Click on arrow mark. You can choose the timings. Let's say maybe 5 minutes as an example. So for every 5 minutes the dashboard will be refreshed automatically. And if you observe here, there is one thing showing cross account no unavailable, so we cannot use this dashboard for cross account. You can go to anywhere, mm, let's say service dashboards, maybe ELB. Let's go application load balancer or EBS volume. Let's see. Let's see if anything is there or not. Instance started running. Obviously there is nothing because we don't have anything. But if you observe, we can see the load balancer names because we created them yesterday, I believe, right? So, but there is no data obviously because we deleted it. Let's maybe one day. Yeah, no data obviously. That's okay. When we use it, the data will come obviously, don't worry about it. So these are all the metric names, request count, how many requests we got. See, oh yeah, see now the data is here, maybe of 1 week old, we created maybe something. See, request count, how many request count it came? 11 it seems. 11 request count. And how many errors? 500 errors. Let's just over here, it will show you. Let's say active connection count. This was a week ago. I mean, you can, currently because it's not running, you can see, or you can select which LB you want. It will show the data for that LB. So these are all the metrics available in. There are so many metrics available here. If you see, based on the resource what we have, the metrics will be there. It's loading. There is only one instance, so the instance is filtered here. See the metrics it came, but data it will take some time. Don't worry, few more minutes. See the instance ID here. It is showing now, right? Earlier it was not showing because there is no instance. Now we created it. Maybe another 5 minutes it will come. Slowly, don't worry. See the data came for these things. Network packets out, 123 packets. See the point, you can see the the blue point. 123 packets out, packets in 180 packets. That network transferring it's happening. Usually it will happen because it will do the health checks and everything. So it will happen. Remaining CPU also it will come. See CPU came 9 CPU, it is 9 point something showing. Very less only because we are not using anything obviously. And of course disk won't be showing because now we are not using the disk obviously, it won't show. So like this, I mean, you can have your own, sorry, you can see the default dashboards here, or if you don't want it, let's say, you can create your own dashboards. Create it, you can see something called default dashboard here. Create your own dashboard. Yes, loading as of now nothing. This is your custom dashboards, automatic. You have default dashboards, you can use them. This default, I mean, automatic dashboards, there is nothing wrong. Or you can create your own dashboards. Create a dashboard. What is the name? Test something, whatever it is. Create it. Sorry, create it. What the metric you want to add, just like in what is that, Grafana, you want to add maybe number, click on number, type next, add what you want to do, what you want to monitor here, EC2, and in the EC2 instance metrics. So in the instance, what is your what you want to monitor, CPU, CPU relation, maybe this, select this metric, sorry, yeah, let it load. As of now no CPU. Oh wait, did I choose in the, what is the CPU instance ID? A9A7. 1 minute. No, I chosen the wrong ID. Oh, these are old instances, sorry. 9A7. Let's check for. These are all instances which we had earlier, not now. Let's go to another page. There should be a name, demo name should be visible. As of now, no names. Let's go to last. Let's come from last. Yeah, demo here. Demo CPU utilization I want to use. Where is CPU? Yeah, this one. Now, see CPU 9% it is using because I chosen the number. Let's maybe save and create a name. Sorry. CPU utilization. I hope spelling is correct. Yes. Now create a widget. Just like how we are creating in Grafana dashboard, right? You remember hopefully. So same thing we are doing here. Why now it is not showing? Let's edit. Yeah, average. Okay. Period 5 minutes. Let's make it 5 seconds. So last 5 seconds 2.99%. Okay, 5 seconds is too much. Maybe 1 minute. And there are statistics. You want minimum sum of it, average like this. Sum means 12% is using out of what is that 100% I meant to say. The data will be reflected. You can add like this any n number of uh, widgets. Action. You can delete the dashboard, share the dashboard if you want, save dashboard. Everything you can able to do. If you click the plus symbol, another widget you can able to add. Just like Grafana and Prometheus, you can simply add it here. Save dashboard finally maybe. What is the name? Test, right? So now cloud dashboards. Your test dashboards is here. So you can create your own dashboards here. You got what I'm saying? So CloudWatch is usually we are using for monitoring, service monitoring in AWS services we can able to monitor. And of course, so in the by default CloudWatch gave you dashboards so that we can able to filter out, or you can have your own dashboards. That is also fine. And number of dashboards there is no limitation, so you can able to create. So these are automated dashboards. I'm just going. Let's go to EC2. You can add filter by resource group. It seems I don't know what is that. So let's say this is the instance it is showing here all the data. These are default metrics. Just observe here there is no memory. CPU is there, okay. Disk read and write is there. I mean disk usage also not there. I mean how much space disk has been used, that is also not there. See, observe here. You can check it. Where is the memory? No. Where is the disk? No. See, because by default they are not available. So we can set it up. We can set it up by installing the agent. There is a CloudWatch agent. We can have to install this agent. So this agent will collect the metrics. See, this is the command simply you can able to use. Of course, no, simply we can install by this, but of course we little more thing required. Let's see what are those. Install using command line, and of course blah blah blah. So you can simply this one command we can able to install, and once you install agent we need to create some configuration file it seems for that. So all the official documentation is already available, or we can go back any time. We can check auto installation for for memory metrics. Maybe let's go to another medium because this will be easy. Of course official documentation is good to prefer, I mean not other things, but they will be in different places, but it's straightforward. Blah 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 blah. This is fine, this is fine. We need a policy that we will see. Same thing they'll use CloudWatch agency. Same thing they'll be seeing. So we'll also see same thing. Got it? Let's see how to install the agent. Now let's open this link, and this link also all should be same. All will be same. Sorry, obviously all will be same. See, first we'll be creating a role and obviously installing the agent. We can download from here or we can install directly if it is Red Hat. And of course We have to configure it, it seems. The configuration, we can do that. Start the CloudWatch agent, that's it. And logs will be displayed like this here. Sorry, the metrics, sorry, not logs, my bad. Same here, go to any website. You can, I'm just trying to show you that you can watch any website, not just one thing. Got it? All will be same thing. So let's follow any website, maybe whatever it is, that's fine completely. So now let's start. So first let's start with creating a role. So attach an IAM role with for an EC2 instance, of course. So this is my mission, and this mission metrics only I want, I mean CPU and disk obviously. So what is the first thing to do? So CloudWatch is another service, and it is EC2 is another service. We need a communication between these two. So what we did earlier, one thing is through keys. We don't want the keys, obviously we don't be using the keys. The next another thing is, what is it? Roles. Yesterday we discussed, right, the IAM topic. So let's create a role with some permissions and attach the role to EC2. So we are creating a role for EC2 with some permissions. What permissions, that we will see. What permissions exactly? The CloudWatch permissions, because EC2 needs to access the CloudWatch, right, in order to send the logs. It means the logs are being, sorry, the metrics are being sent from EC2 to CloudWatch. So EC2 needs to have permissions to send the logs to CloudWatch. So that's what we're doing. So of course EC2. So now what permissions we want? Let's go the documentation. There is a policy called CloudWatch agent server policy, it seems. See, let's add that. CloudWatch agent server policy. This is the one. So what is that? What is there? If you observe here, easy to describe volumes is there. Permissions. It will describe the volume is the disks, and as well as the X-ray permissions or the logs permissions. Logs we'll see. I mean, we'll see later. Don't worry. But for now, select this. Or if you want, there is another admin policy also. You can able to do this also. That is also fine. Got it? So let's next. CloudWatch memory. I mean, create role. Now attach this role to EC2 instance. Obviously, go to EC2, right click. You know where to attach. Security, modify IAM role. IAM role, CloudWatch mem we just created. You may think, haven't we got the doubt? Like, see, we have 12 roles, but when I open right click here, come on, sorry, security, modify IAM role. What the hell? Yeah, it is showing only one. See, why is not showing the other roles? Maybe I missed yesterday telling you, because we there are 12 roles, but the EC2 roles, the roles which belongs to EC2 instances is only one. So because we created CloudWatch role for EC2 instance, right, we select the EC2 when creating the role. So only that it will be displayed here, not every other thing. So other remaining roles, they are not EC2 roles. That's why they are not showing here. See here, global accelerator something, elastic load balancer, ECS something, file system something. They does not belongs to EC2. But if you see here, there is only one role which EC2 role. That's why only it is displaying. Yeah, that's okay. Now role is attached, blah blah blah, done. Now we have to download the CloudWatch agent. Now for agent, no need to install like this. Simply go to, oh shit man, I don't have a key pair. Let's see, do I have the key pair? Awesome, I don't have a key pair, sorry. My bad, I'm sorry. Let me delete this, because the key pair whatever selected it, I don't have it. I can't log in obviously. Let's launch a new instance. It won't take much time, so my bad, sorry. new something. Let's keep everything is same. Keep here, create new one. Test. Why it is too slow? Test, create, keep here. Downloads, let's save it. Network, yes, select the existing one. Default security group, let's launch an instance. And now this instance also will be shown here once it is ready. So now it is showing demo instance, right? Let's wait for a few minutes. Another instance also will come here. I just created now few seconds ago. Let it initiate by then. Meanwhile, let's refresh. Yeah. Security, attach the IAM role to here. So the roles are not specific to a particular instance. So if you create a role, you can attach to anything. So I just attached. Let's wait here. Where is it? Yes, refresh. Let's wait for a few more minutes. Sorry, yeah. Meanwhile, let's continue our thing. So how to install? Blah blah blah. Where is the installation? Install the CloudWatch agent. Yes, here. Just sudo yum install. That's it. Let's try this command. Let's log in first. Sorry. Connect. Yes. So now let's refresh this again. It should be visible by now. Still it is loading. That's okay. Let's continue our thing. Install the agent. It's installing. See. Okay, 135 bits. Okay, that's okay. Let it install. Let it install. It's done. System. So what is the name? CW agent. No. What is the service name? Amazon iPhone maybe. iPhone cloud. It's inactive. See, currently it's stopped. We can start it again. No worries. So before starting, we need to configure. There will be a configuration file, obviously. So we need to configure that. Why the hell it is taking this much time? Let it wait. Click on overview, service dashboards, automatic, easy to. It's still taking time. Yeah, see, the new instance is here. See, earlier it was terminated. Obviously, we deleted it. See, instance it came. You can see here the instance demo. This is the new instance. New. See. See now, if you see these two are legends. I mean, blue color is whatever the metric it's showing. It belongs to new instance. The orange is the old one. See here, it will be clear. See, like that. Yeah, it came. That's okay. Now we had the CloudWatch pack agent installed. We have to create a configuration file. Obviously, see agent.config. It seems. Let's go to OPT AWS. It should be created by default. Yeah, CloudWatch agent is here. So it's there. I believe. What is the path? Bin. Okay. Let's go to etc. Oh, sorry. Let's go to bin. So there is a file, it seems. Wizard, see the wizard file. Let's open this. .config wizard. This is the configure. Oh, what? No. There's some bin file, obviously executable file. Oh, sorry, wait. My bad. So there is a executable file which you need to execute it. So when you execute the file, see, this will show you the options here like this. Let's see what are those. Blah blah. Amazon config wizard. Yes. It is asking which OS you are planning to use this agent. Linux, obviously. Select. Trying to fetch the details of research based on which one you are using, EC2 or on-prem instance. EC2 one. Which user you are planning to run the agent? You want to run the agent as a root user or CW agent user? Don't run as root agent. I mean, you can run it, but safety, run as CW. Do you want to turn on status daemon? Yes, turn it on. Which port you want stat to listen to? Yeah, default. It's okay. Sorry. What is the time interval to collect the metrics for every 10 seconds? What is aggregation interval for metrics collected by status daemon? Not aggregate. Maybe leave the default. Do you want? Sorry, 1 minute. Pricing interval. List given. 1 minute. I'm just typing. Sorry. So it's saying you want to monitor the metrics for collecting from current metrics. Start default. Do you leave the default? Do you want to monitor any host metrics, CPU memory? Yes. Obviously default is 1, so yeah. Do you want to monitor CPU per core? Yes. Do you want to add EC2 dimensions, image ID, instance ID, auto scaling group in a metrics info is available? Yes. Do you want to aggregate EC2 dimensions, instance? Yes. Would you like to collect metrics at higher resolution, sub-minute per resolution, sub-minute per resolution, blah, blah. It collects metrics based on the minute level also, you can able to see. So 60 seconds. Which default metrics do you want? Basic is fine, I mean, for now. Are you satisfied with the config? Note, it can be manually customized later. Yes, I'm satisfied, obviously. Do you have an existing CloudWatch log agent configured file import? No. Do you want to monitor in log files? As of now, no. Yeah, maybe let's keep it 1. We'll see that later. I haven't told you yet. Let's give one thing. Yes. Log stream name. Yes. Yes. Additional log file to monitor to no. You want to monitor to extra traces? No. What are the hell are this thing? No. Finally done. So what we did so far here is we just configured the agent and we just generated the configuration. See, we can edit the later also, but we generated the configuration. This is the what we just selected so far. Of course, internally we did the agent, logging configuration also, that we will see later. But for now, let's see the agent. So these are all fine. Now we need to start the agent. Let's start the agent. Systemctl. Let's why to type the command. I think it should be there. Start status. It's what the hell? There is some error. SNS detected instances running. Is there any log? There is a log. Let's check the log. What's happening? Return error exit code Node.json config files found. What we need to do? Oh wait. Let's go to the documentation. So is it a status now? So this is the JSON we got. We can check. We can check this. Bin config.json. Okay. So JSON file should be exist right of it. Bin underscore. Let's go to bin. Config.json exists. Yes, obviously. Cat. Yeah, see, this is the file which got generated. So config.json exists, but why? What happened? It is expecting it in different path or something. So maybe we'll try this way to start an agent. Let me just try. Hopefully this command should be correct. Stopped currently. Let's start it. So in the start command, I think when we start with the systemctl, it's taking a different JSON file. So when we start like this, it's taking the correct one. Let's see. Yeah, it's, oh wait, this is the what missing. Why this is missing? What the hell is missing here? No such file or directory. It is expecting this directory. Let's see. What the hell is this? Let's Google it. Sorry. Yes. Let's see how to set up CloudWatch agent. Blah blah blah. Do we need to install anything? No, obviously. This is what we did already. So what is this? See, they are telling us to create a file, an empty file for us. Maybe let's try that. This file does not exist. Let's create it. No such file or directory. They're creating. Oh, it's a file. Sorry. Touch. Oh, cannot create. Collected is not there. Collected. Yes, I created the file. Let's see. Wait. Did I start it or stopped? Okay, see, Cloud was already stopped. We need to start it. Let's go here. Now we should run it. How to run? Is it to? So this status is stopped. Start it and check the status. The same thing we ran is correct. Sorry. Paste it. Yes. I think it ran. Now check the status. We got the command right. Yes. See, it's running. The agent is running finally. Now let's wait for a few minutes. It will show us the log. Sorry, the metrics here. Let's wait. Where it will show? Let's go to CloudWatch. Our own dashboards. This will come here. So it will take. Let's wait for a few minutes. It will come. So all we did is install the agent. We configured the few options in the agent with the CLI, the commands they gave. I'll share the link also. Please follow. And once this is done, now it will be present. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let me share the link maybe for now. Meanwhile, yes, you can save it. I mean, or you can Google it. I mean, it will come for you. Don't worry. Oh, sorry. Did I copy the wrong? Sorry, yeah. Let's go to node roles. Go to CloudWatch. Again, go to our EC2. EC2. So is it showing anything here? Disk? No, I believe no. Memory? No, as of now. Let's open this instance separately. Oh, it's going into instance, sorry. Still no. Come on, why it is taking too much time? Let's wait, let's wait. It won't take much time, but yeah, please wait. Ah, 1 minute. Let it come. Let's. Hopefully, it should be done. Come on. Open. Yes. Status 6 are there. Networking and out. Okay. Disk ops. CPU utilization. No, not there. Let's go to maybe where it will be. CloudWatch usage. No. Where the hell it went? Maybe let's check the log. Here, if it is sending the logs or not. ILFNF slash where log Amazon Amazon CloudWatch agent no, Amazon CloudWatch log. Oh, sorry. Easy to track start finish initial retrieval kind process. So no errors, I guess. It is sending 25826. Uh, let's wait. Come on, refresh. Oh, sorry. I'm looking in CloudWatch usage. Yes, yes. Disk and right, blah blah blah. Nope, not yet. Where the hell is it here? Maybe let's try here. Go to yeah, sorry, CW agent. See here, the matrix came, but see instance ID maybe, or you can select here. Anything is fine. Let's go to instance ID. See, this is the instance ID, right? See, the memory is 16% used. And what about the disk? 38% used. This is the default slash path. So this the agent came here. I mean the CW agent is the one namespace which will be here, but by default it's not showing in here. I don't know why, but yeah, the data is present. Got it? Let's go to matrix. Just click on matrix. So dashboards came. So it's not showing anything here. If you simply go to EC2, So there won't be anything. See, observe here, nothing here. So why? Because since we have fetched them, you know, we can have our own dashboards. And of course in the dashboard there will be something called CW agent. See, these are all namespaces. Load balancer by default it's available. So this CW agent is also one of the namespace which created for our memory and disk. See, I added it, or I can simply go here, same thing. See the disk, all the disks are slash dev blah blah blah. Let's click on slash. See, like this you can able to add anything. CW agent, let's go here. Here also is the memory percent. I mean, of course the values are same, but yeah, you can able to filter like that also. So that's how you can able to fetch. You can update the widget. Sorry, that's how you can able to fetch the what is that memory and CPU. Memory and disk metrics from an instance, Linux instance. We can try for Windows instance also. There will be an option. Same thing. Install the agent and send the metrics. Of course, IAM role is important here because the role we are created so that the instance can able to push the metrics. I mean, upload. Don't say upload. Push the metrics to you know. Sorry, what do you say? The metrics from EC2 to CloudWatch. So that's about dashboards. I mean, you can create your own dashboards. You know it already. And there is something called logs. I already mentioned. You can send the logs from EC2 also. Like let's imagine you have 100 servers, and your manager asked you, hey, check the log of the machine. So what you do generally? You logged in, correct? You log into the server, you check tile, FNF, blah blah, whatever it is. Imagine 100 machines. How you check? How you can check it? We need to have some common place, right? Some centralized logging mechanism. That's why we have the ELK stack we tried, so that all the machine logs, all the server logs, whatever the logs, not just server, will be in a common place. So that's why we have, AWS provided you the option, for to store the logs centralized in AWS CloudWatch. So now what we have to do is same thing. The agent is already there. It will fetch the logs. Let's see whether it fetch. It will send the logs or not. Mm, 1 minute. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Let's go to logs. You can see dashboards you already seen. Go to logs. Metrics also you have seen. Metrics is nothing but So in the dashboards you will see the metrics only. So this is the metrics available. See, click on see CW agent. You can simply click here. So dashboards, you can create your own dashboards. You can have your own metrics based on the dashboard. Maybe for project level like that. You can have to do it. So that's about metrics and everything. Go to logs. Maybe log groups. Oh, there is one log group, it seems. Click on this. I think it's a default one. I'm not sure. ECS, whatever it is, I don't know. Okay. So that's okay. Yeah. So what happens is we can able to send our server logs. Whatever the logs, the path you give, it will take it. So see, like this it will be shown to you. The logs will be shown to you like this. See, same way we can able to send our logs also, server logs also. So there is a concept called log groups. So what does that mean is we will obviously will be sending multiple logs, right? So we'll have to create a log group. Within that log group we can send our log. So let's say we have server. So for that server I'll create a log group, and within that server I'll have something called log streams. Maybe log streams depends on the file names. Let's say I have 10 servers means I'll create 10 log groups. I'm just differentiating the logs based on the server. Let's say if logs are everything in just like a filtering out simply to keep it simple. So just like in every monitoring tool we see the same thing, filtering out the logs. Since we don't have filters here, so we have something called log groups. We create a log group for a specific server or specific load balancer, or as an example, let's say, and all the logs which related to that EC2 instance will be stored in that log group by this something called log stream. This name also will give. So we'll see how to give that. Let's say I have a system, and of course I want to what is that? I want to send the logs to this CloudWatch so that I can able to monitor instead of logging again. How to do that? So let's see. Obviously for this also logging agent is there. Oh, I think it should be installed along with this, but that's let's see. Yes, it's the same agent. CloudWatch CloudWatch agent we just installed, right? The agent, that is the same agent which will be installed. All we have to do is what we have to do is change update the configuration file. So we have yeah, let's log in again. You remember we selected all the options when configuring the agent, and it's created a file called what is that, config.json. So all we have to do is update the file. Let's go. I think opt AWS Amazon bin. I think this is where the config is. Yeah, config.json. See, this is the file. These are all metrics information, but there is one place called for logs. So where log messages is the file I want to send the logs, it seems. First let's see whether is there a file or not. Slash where slash log messages is there. Oh, not there, sorry. Maybe I want to send let's install nginx. Maybe why to have this yum install nginx -y. Oh. Now do systemctl start nginx, and obviously 80 is allowed in my firewall. Let's access it. It should work. Welcome to nginx. Yeah, so now the log is generated. Yeah, nginx error.log. See, the log is generated. Now I want to send these logs to AWS CloudWatch. How to send? Of course, in the CloudWatch log agent we have to install. We already did it. It's fine. Now we have to edit the config.json file which it generated. Open it. File path. Remember, when configuring the agent itself, is asked for what is the log file path you want to track. But I thought messages file exists. That's fine. Let's see the file name. Is it error.log or error? Yeah, error.log. Now, so what is the log group name? I told you, right? So log group name may be EC2 server. I'll give my EC2 server. You can give anything. So based, told you right. Log group is something like per instance. We are differentiating based on the log groups only. So you can give any name. Let's say test instance server on whatever, or simply you can use the ID also like this. That is also fine. Now that's it. Log group name is already I gave. Log stream name based on the instance ID, or you can change it. Maybe let's see, log group name should be with instance ID, and log stream name I'll keep nginx, just example. So log group name will be my instance ID. Now let's go here. Where is it? Yeah, this is the log group name, ECS/test. Here my instance ID will be present, or you can give any name. I mean, it's not really matter of EC2 instance ID only should give. You can give anything, no matter what. So log stream name would be nginx. So here I want to see nginx like this. Okay. So let's save the file. Save it. Now I have to restart this agent, right? What is the command? I forgot. Let's open the document. Oh, I deleted. Let's open this. Yes. Blah 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 blah. Where is it? See, these are all the options. That's fine. What the hell? Did I give the wrong link to you? No. Yeah, this is the one. Sorry. I'm just starting this. Paste it. It should be up and running. Now the logs will be displayed here. Wait for a few minutes. So there will be new log group will be created. See, log group is already came. This is my instance ID. We gave that. So log group name should be my instance ID. You can give, let's say, server or something, whatever the name. Go here. See, Nginx. See the log. See, this is what the log, right? Nginx log. We have in where? EC2 instance. Like this, you can create. Let's say I want to send maybe Apache log. Just an example. I'm just saying. Or let's go to some log file. Simply maybe this log cloud init output maybe. Is there some? Sorry. Is there a log? Yeah, there is log. I want to send this file. Let's go to this agent opt. AWS, Amazon, bin config file. So you want to have one more thing, right? What you do? Simply copy paste this. Let's copy paste it. Yeah, including the braces. Do remember here, comma. It's a JSON file, so comma has to be mandatory. Paste it. So now change it. What is the file path? I think var log. So cloud init hyphen what is that output, and log group name, instance ID, of course log group name will be same. Means within the same log group we have multiple log streams. So it's not Nginx, it's a cloud hyphen init. You can give anything, I mean. So now what's happening is, let me show you here. So log group is this one. Log stream will have one more thing. So we just have different streams for each and every log. Otherwise, let's say one stream is there. How you differentiate which is Nginx log, which is Apache log, or which is Tomcat log, something, right? Instead of this, we can have separate log streams. So it will be easy. Now I copied it. What I have to do? Restart. Done. Hopefully it should be correct. Whatever I did. Yeah. Now refresh. Let's wait for 1 minute then. Log group. Open it. Log stream still okay. Let's wait. The log stream will come here. So like that you can have n number of logs. Let's say you have one server 10 log files you want to monitor. You can have 10 streams for each and everything. So like that you can able to create. Obviously it will take some time, that's okay. So that's about the logs, how you create. It will come, don't worry. It will just take some time, but obviously it will come. So meanwhile, let it keep aside for now. So meanwhile, what I wanted to show is there is one more concept. I think you have seen CloudWatch dashboard. What is CloudWatch? I mean dashboards, how to create dashboards, metrics. Obviously the first thing is metrics, how to filter the metrics. You can again go to all metrics. You can see all the things, whatever. You can go here also, anything. This is our CloudWatch agent. CW agent means CloudWatch agent. And you have seen logs, how to get the logs. Same agent, no difference. Only one agent for logs and metrics. So metrics means CPU and memory. Sorry, CPU and disk. Sorry, memory and disk. My bad. Sorry, because CPU is available by default. Memory and what is that? Disk they are not available by default. So that's why. So let's go to alarms. What is alarms? It's just like alerts. We create alert, and if that is crossed, we'll get an alert. Let's say I want to create alert, maybe, sorry, I want to create some alert. If the disk space is more than 90%, crossed 90%, send me alert. Or if the memory is crossed some percentage, send me alert. Like this, we can able to create alert. So what happens is, there are three categories in alerts. Where is this? Alarm state. Yeah, three states. One is in alarm, another is okay, another is insufficient data. So first thing, okay means okay, the alarm whatever created, whatever the configuration, like let's say we created alarm with memory greater than 90%, send an email. Sorry, let's say send an email. So what happens? Alarm state okay means, so memory haven't crossed 90%. So alarm is okay, alarm state is okay, whatever the metric we are using inside the alarm is okay. And if let's say what is it? Alarm state is crossed, it means the 90% is crossed. I mean the threshold value is crossed, right? Then the alarm will be in alarm state. I mean the alarm state has been changed because the threshold value whatever inside we keep is changed. And finally we have something called insufficient data. If alarm, let's say EC2 instance, I mean you create alarm for EC2 instance, and this alarm can't able to fetch the data from instance. Maybe instance is stopped, maybe instance is terminated for some reason. So like that. So insufficient data. Let's create alarm for us first. Select the metric. You have to select the metric. Which metric? I want maybe memory. Anything, memory, disk, CPU, whatever you want. Memory, what is the current percentage? Not line. Select maybe number. 18% current memory. So this is the metric I want to monitor. Metric name is fine. My instance is this size. Static average. Period maybe 30 seconds. If, so you can give a static value condition when. So I told create alarm for memory metric. If memory metric, what to do now? I have to send alarm when? If memory is greater than maybe 18, right? 19. Send me alert. So currently, see, so currently 18.7 it seems, 18.65. So if the memory percentage is crossed to 19, see the line here, the red line, this is the threshold value, right? So if it is, the line is crossed, it will send me alert. Obviously I haven't configured that yet, but as of now, we just in the place where it will, if the memory percentage 90% is crossed, it will do some action. So not immediately again. So we have period seconds here 30. It means it will wait for 30 seconds. Let's say memory crossed 19%. It will wait for 30 seconds. It will wait for 30 seconds, and if still memory is more than the threshold value, whatever we mentioned, let in here 19%, it will send. It will do some action. What action? Additional configuration that you have to configure. So what you have to do? Sorry, not here. So now what happens is, next page we have to do configure actions. My bad, sorry. Click on configure actions. What you want to do? So there are so many actions to do. I think SNS topic, send an email, do some lambda action, it seems. We'll see that later. Auto scaling action, we can do some auto scaling action if this instance belongs to auto scaling group. There is something called EC2 action also. Terminate the instance, you can reboot the instance, you can stop the instance if the threshold value alarm state is crossed. We'll see that, don't worry. Now configure actions. What actions it can do? Now here what happens? I told you three conditions, right? Sorry, three states for alarm. One is okay. It means the metric is within the defined threshold. See here. It means the metric is the memory whatever metric we selected is within the 19% because that's the limitation we set. In alarm means it's crossed. Whatever the threshold value we set, it's crossed. And insufficient data means, see, there is no enough data to check the alarm. So for now what I want is, I want to create alarm if it is crossed 90%. So when what state it will be in, if it is crossed 90%, alarm state. So select the alarm state, send notification to following SNS topic. So SNS topic is where we create a topic. Within the topic we'll add some emails. We can add emails also. We can send the notifications to Slack or Teams also. We can have to try. So what happens is, this SNS topic is an we will see that, like, it's a very small thing. So let me show you. Simple notification service. If you want to send a notification to someone through AWS services, you use SNS. So what we do is, we create a topic, give some name to topic, and what you want to do. So let's say create a topic. You add the subscriptions. Create a subscriptions. What type of subscriptions you want? Sorry, not this. So protocol, why it is only showing SQS? 1 minute. Let me cancel. I have to. Let's go to subscriptions. Topic, sorry. Oh, my bad, my bad. Let's create a topic. Select that standard topic. Give some name, test topic. Now create a topic for now. Inside this topic, you will have subscriptions. Click create subscriptions. Select protocol. See the lots of types available. You want to send an email, select email. You want to send HTTP request to some official website or something, select that. If you want to send SMS, select that. SMS I never tried, but yeah, you can give a number. See, like this. I never tried, but really, you can give an email like this. Email like this, and your email. So it will send an alert to you. First, it will send the subscription. You have to confirm the subscription. Then it will send an alert to you. So that what we usually use SNS for. An alarm. You can create a new topic, or you can choose the existing topic. I have test topic, it seems. Let's go. Test topic. Is there something? Oh, my mail is there. So it will send an alert to this one. Or you can, what two are there? Sorry, let's create a new topic. The default. What is my mail? Sorry. Yes, it will send create a topic. The topic is created. Let's refresh. And my mail will be here. I pending confirmation because I'll get an email, I guess. Let's go to Gmail. So I need to confirm the subscription. See, confirm subscription. It's confirmed. Let's refresh this page. It will be confirmed. Something will be there. Confirmed. Now it can send, AWS can send emails to this. Now what we do is, we use this topic in multiple places. Like in auto scaling, we have used to send alerts whenever scaling or scale out happens. Similarly here also in CloudWatch, we'll be using in alarms. So one of the action is to send an email. If the threshold value is crossed, what I need to do? I can do restart a mission, or I can send an email also. So we selected sending an email also. See here. And of course, you can do some easy to action also. When it's alarm state, what you want to do? Stop the instance? Yeah, I can do it. Terminate the instance? I can do it. Reboot? I can do it. Let's terminate, just simply. I'm just saying. Terminate. Click next. Name test alarm. So I hopefully 19% should not be, should be crossed, and because it's very less only. Alarm insufficient data, because currently it's trying to fetch the data from the instance. So it will take some time. That based on current situation, it will be either okay, or it will be sorry, let's any state. So currently alarm state is okay. It means our percentage is still not 19, it seems. Let's increase something. We can increase the percentage if let's go to dashboards, refresh. The memory is 18.7. Oh, 0.3 we need to increase. Let's try. We can increase that. Oh, sorry. Let's go. logged in. So we simply add load to memory actually in Linux. So there will be a command actually. Let me just, where is it? This is Red Hat, right? There is command called stress command I can able to use. Is this, sorry, stress is not there. Okay, yum install stress. Yeah, stress hyphen VM, it's number of workers, hyphen VM, hyphen bytes, 100 yum. Out of 1 GB, 20%, 19% is 190 MB. Let's keep it 200 yum. Timeout 120. It means 2 minutes. Let's try. Now it should failed. What is it? Okay, stress is 1 minute. Let me see the load now. Still 18.7. It should come 19. So alarm state, I believe it's still be okay. Yeah, that's okay. Maybe there is another command I can able to create. dd, sorry. Again, 1 minute. I missed this. What? No space. Now it should increase. It'll just increase the memory. Let's refresh. Let's wait a minute. No. If this is also not working, I have another approach. Mem tester is there. Yum install mem tstr. Let's try that hopefully. Mem tester. What? No package. Okay, if it is not working, what we can do is simple. Instead of wasting our time, oh, it's reduced. Sorry. Let's go to our alarm. Edit the alarm. Instead of 19%, let's keep it 15. Edit. Come on. 19, right? I kept. Let's keep it 15. I think by 15 means obviously it's there. So let's hopefully it should come now. Let's wait for 60 seconds. I think 30 seconds. Sorry. Let's wait for 30 seconds. Let's wait. Let's wait. 30 seconds should be done, I guess. Memory, where is it? 16.8. Okay. We gave 15. Yeah. What the hell? It should be done by now. Just yeah, see, in alarm state. I think it'll go now. It should go. It should go. Yes. Let's wait. See, the threshold value crossed, right? In alarm, I got a mail. See, alarm state changed. Check it. Whatever the alarm, everything is here. And what I told to terminate the instance. Let's see. I believe I told to, yeah, see, terminating. That's how. Got it what I'm saying? It is terminating. Obviously, it'll take some time. Let's wait for a few minutes. That's how you create alarms. I just showed an example so you can create anything. Don't worry about it. See, it's gone. Now there is no use of alarm obviously because the instance whatever we created alarm for, it's deleted. You can delete the instance. No worries. You can if you told that to restart, the alarm will restart it. Got it? So is it clear about alarms? Where is this? Yeah, here. Sorry. Is it clear? So these three are the main thing in AWS. Sorry. Four things in CloudWatch we'll be using. One thing is dashboards, how to create your own dashboards, how to create your widgets. We already seen that, and how uh, logs, how to fetch the logs, how to send the logs to from servers to our CloudWatch logs. We have something called logs, log groups, streams, and next thing is we have called alarms. So where we'll be, come on, why it is not loading? Yeah, where we'll be create alarms based on uh, our state, whatever the state we want. So based on that we'll create alarm. Based on if the threshold value crossed, it will send an alert to you. There is one more thing called events that I won't be discussing today, maybe tomorrow, hopefully. So we will discuss that later, okay, along with some other topic. So that's it about CloudWatch. Why this still haven't come? If it still haven't come, check the log. Maybe some error in the configuration. Might be. So is it clear so far about CloudWatch? And of course, I might have rushed about SNS topic. So SNS topic is nothing but in order to send notifications through any AWS service, we will be using SNS topic. We'll be create a topic and we'll add our emails if we want to send alerts to emails. We add our endpoints. Let's create a topic simply. So click on standard, blah blah, whatever it is. Create topic. You can add subscriptions. Let's say you want to send to HTTP protocol. Send, give your endpoint here. I mean your website. Let's say it will receive the notifications. HTTPS means HTTPS website. So like this. Lambda we'll see maybe tomorrow. SMS, I told you I haven't tried the SMS, but yeah, you can add a phone number maybe. You can try it if it is fine, okay. Or if you want to send email, so now email. Select your emails, comma space, add your emails, multiple emails. There is no limitation. So what will happen is like this will send us a confirmation mail. You have to confirm it. Once that is confirmed, it will Oh, sorry, I forgot. I deleted the instance. My bad. I'm trying to log in. That's okay. So that's about CloudWatch, dashboards, metrics, logs, and alarms. I told you will be events. The events is something part of CloudWatch which we'll see maybe tomorrow. So is it clear so far? Hmm? So others? Wait. Yeah. Tell me. Yeah. So do practice and let me stop the recording first. Let me talk. Don't leave. So that's it for today's class. Have a nice day. Let me just stop it.